Myself, MS Badane, welcome you all. In today's session, we are going to start with our next algorithm, that is bubble star from data structure using C. The very first what the bubble sort is, we are going to take small introduction for bubble sort algorithm. It's a very simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is comparison based algorithm. In this algorithm, each pair of adjacent elements is compared and the elements are swapped if they are not in order. This algorithm is not suitable for large data sets. So for small data sets, we can easily implement this algorithm, that is bubble sort algorithm. How this bubble sort algorithm is going to work? So very first we take an unsorted array for our example. This bubble sort algorithm takes big O of n square time complexity, so we are keeping is short and precise. So in this our today's example we have taken 5 elements: 14, 33, 27, 35 and 10. So these five elements we are going to apply our algorithm, that is bubble sort algorithm. Very first bubble sort starts with very first two elements, comparing them to check which one is greater. So here we are going to consider two numbers, that is 14 and 33. In this case, value 33 is greater than 14. So it is already in sorted locations. So we are going to consider next two elements, that is 33 and 27. We find that 27 is smaller than 33. So as per our algorithm, we have to swap this value. So in next we can see swapping of this algorithm. After swapping of this algorithm, new array we will get. In this new array, the first element is 14, second one is 27 and third one is 33. Next, we compare next two numbers, that is 33 and 35. So 33 and 35 both are in sorted position, so there is no need of swapping. Now we will consider for the next two values, that is 35 and 10. So here we found that 35 is greater than 10, so there is a need of swapping. So here we are going to swap this 35 and 10. After swapping these values, what our array will look like: 14, 27, 33, 10 and 35. So this is the first iteration of our algorithm, that is bubble sort algorithm. On this algorithm, we are going to apply, or we are going for the next iteration and following the same step again for 14, 27, then 27, 33, then 33, 10 and then again 10, 35. So after second iteration, we are getting the algorithm, the array as 14, 27, 10, 33 and 35. Now the same procedure we are applying for the again next, so it is for next iteration we are getting 14, 10, 27, 33 and 35. So and there is no swap is required in this. So bubble sort learns that an array is completely sorted as 10, 14, 27, 33 and 35. Now we will look for some practical aspects of bubble sort. How practically bubble sort program will work. So here is the C code for our bubble sort program. So very first I have included here header file, that is stdio.h, standard input output header file. Here I have started my program with main function. I have declared here some variables, that is array, ncd and swap. CLR function for clearing the screen. After that, I am going to accept number of elements from the users. Whatever number of elements I have accepted from users, that I am going to accept in array by using function for c equal to 0, c is less than n, c plus plus, and by function scanf %d ampersand array of c. Now we have to apply the logic for our bubble sort. So for swapping purpose and for comparing purpose, I had taken here two for loops that are going to work at the end of our list. So array D is, we are going to check for the condition. Adjacent element we are going to check array of D is greater than array of D plus 1 or not. If it is greater, then we have to perform the swapping. For swapping purpose, I have taken one variable swap equal to array of D. Array of D equal to array of D plus 1 and array of D plus 1 equal to swap. So this process continuously will work up to the complete iteration or up to the complete sorted order of elements by this algorithm, that is bubble sort. After swapping, I am going to print the sorted list in ascending order. So for printing that, I am going to use again for loop function for displaying the array get ch and return 0. So this is my program for DSU bubble sort. Now I am going to compile this program. After compilation, we will run the program by command run. So see here, here I'm going to enter now number of elements. Suppose 5 elements I am going to here enter. So first element I am going to take here 34, 12, 10, 40 and 25. Any random you may enter here. So after applying bubble sort, we are getting the sorted list in ascending order, that is 10, 12, 25, 34 and 40. So this is the way we can apply bubble sort algorithm in C. Thank you.